Bring the witches here. So, you're a witch.
No, I'm not.
Too bad. That's the story. We're over.
But it's not true.
Well, we'll see. Drown her. If she floats to the top and is alive, she's a witch! Well, if she survives that, then how do we execute her? We'll hang her.
But what if I die from drowning?
Well then. I guess you're innocent.
The girl's accusations led to a chain of hysteria. Over 200 people were accused of witchcraft. 20 were hung. The colony eventually admitted that the witch trials were a mistake. But you're probably wondering how this bit of history relates to my life. I used to think that the history didn't really matter. You know, that you could just forget the past, ignore it, and move on. But where I lived before I came here, it wasn't enough that I was a good person. All it took were those that wanted to ruin my reputation. I was accused of terrible things, and I did none of them. All it took were 2 girls and false accusations. In a matter of days, I lost most of my friends. A couple of my closest ones held on for a few more weeks. But people were believing the lies so much that they started attacking me. And other than my mom, I had no one to believe in me. So, we ran away. And it didn't help like I thought it would. For those of you that have heard anything about me in the last few days, you already know that. And if history's taught me anything, it's that there are those people out there that love to watch others suffer. Loyalty fades under pressure. And there are very few knights out there that are willing to fight for you. But they are out there. But you know what? My past, it isn't the end of the world. Better things are in store. I just have to fight for them. So I'm standing up. I'm not going to sit here and wait for someone to come forward and admit that they made a mistake. Enough is enough. I'm not going to bow down to those that get a thrill from watching me suffer. In Salem, all it took to destroy someone that you didn't like was to call them a witch. Today, you just make up some other lie. Essentially, I have been accused of being a witch. No matter what I say, the witch trials find me guilty. But I know what happened. So I guess it's up to you to decide whether you want to think and feel for yourself, or wait till I drown. History is what you make of it, right? So I'm making sure that mine is the truth.